how to add buy now button in Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a buy now button into your Wix website. So it is going to be basically very simple, and it is going to make a lot of time gaining process for the customers, so they can buy everything together and also in one specific time and place. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and choose the website. Once we have chosen the website, we're going to find this dashboard. Now, either you are going to be on the setup page or the home page. We're going to click on a design site. So we are going basically to head over here and see that we're going to find the website loaded. Now, what we're going to do is going to be waiting for the website to load up just like that. After that, we're going to find maybe or add a product. So we can go ahead and add a new section just like that. So maybe I'm going to delete that section. I do not need it because I have some space here and there. So I'm going to select this element here, and we can go ahead and add some elements. Basically, I can go ahead and add images, maybe an image, import an image. I'm not going to import, but basically I can go ahead and have this. Maybe this is a product, or this one is going to be a product. So I can go ahead and have this as product. You can go ahead and add maybe the section for the text and etc. And then we can go ahead and head over the buttons. From the buttons, we are going to find themed buttons, text, icons, etc. And the most important ones are going to be the payment buttons, pay buttons. So we have PayPal and we have the pay buttons. We're going to choose only one of the pay now or buy now button. We're going to drag and drop it like that. So it is going to be adding it. It is going to be crucial for the system to add it because it is going to read it as a product. Now you can go ahead and put settings, and these settings are going to put the item. Basically, you're going to have here choose, for example, an item, or you are going to put the price in euro. For example, we're going to put this product as 120 euros. So after you have did that, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We can go ahead and change the currency. You can change the button label, show terms and condition checkbox, and etc. And for the payment method, you can go ahead and manage it just like that. And here are going to find the Stripe. So basically, you're going to have this Stripe or PayPal or whatever you want. You're going to have it like that. And here you have your pay now button or buy now button. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.